air filter evacuator valve, this little rubber guy on the bottom of the air filter housing cap. One of the most neglected serviceable parts when you do the air filter. Evacuator valve allows the proper air flow inside the air filter housing, and also it evacuates big particles. Let me show you something not really interesting. Normally you have to squeeze it like that and evacuate whatever's behind this rubber valve, but let's take this valve out, and as you can see here we have a compacted dirt like that. Look at that, has never ever been cleaned. This stuff is built up over the long period of time. This machine has 4,100 hours, and this is 2015 Kubota KX040-4, and looks like it took quite a while to accumulate that much dirt. Not good. If you don't maintain your evacuator valve, you're reducing your air filter life by 50% or more. There we go. Now it looks better. Let's clean this one. And also inspect, make sure there's no cracks at the lips, no cuts, no splits, all intact, and put it back like that. Top, and let's put a cap back. We'll have new filters. Put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Bye bye. By the way, if you need parts numbers for the inner filter element, here we go. You got it here, and the outer filter as well. Yeah, good to go.